CV teachers, Mr. Harvey here again. In the last video, I showed you how to set up appointment slots so your students can schedule one-on-one time with you. Now I'm going to show you one of the tools that you can use to carry on those conferences, and you can even get it right from Gmail. So let's take a look today at what's called Hangouts Chat. Right from your Gmail, you'll see in the lower left-hand corner here some little links. So down here, if you've never had a conversation with someone before, you'll see Start a New Conversation. You can also click on the Hangouts sign. And if you have started a conversation with people before, you can start one with someone you haven't by clicking this little plus sign. And as soon as you type in anyone's name within our system, for example, if I want to chat with Win, there's his email, and I can just click on that and it will start a chat with him. But let's go ahead and do a chat with the guy who I have an appointment with, which is Sean. So, as you can see, Hangouts Chat's not only useful for connecting with your students, but also having a little fun with your peers. So, hope you enjoy Google Hangouts Chat, and we'll see you next time.